Discount coupons in e-commerce attract new customers, retain existing ones, increase sales, showcase products, and gather customer data, helping online stores grow and succeed. And EasyStore is there to make this entire process a snap. So in today's tutorial, we'll see how you can create discount coupons for your special customers. Begin by accessing components from your Joomla dashboard and selecting EasyStore. Next, click on Coupons and then the plus new button to initiate the creation of a new coupon. Start off by giving your coupon a title and then add the desired coupon code that will be used by your customers. Choose whether the coupon will apply a percentage discount or a flat amount, and specify the discount value accordingly. Set both a starting date and an expiry date for the coupon's validity. Once done, hit Save and Close. Your coupon has been successfully created. To allow your customers to utilize the coupon, you must enable it from the checkout page settings. To do that, navigate to EasyStore Settings and select Checkout. From here, enable the Apply Coupon Code option, and remember to save the changes. Time to take a look at the results. Your customers can enter the coupon code directly from the checkout page. As simple as that. With EasyStore, creating and managing discount coupons for your special customers has never been easier. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.